How to check updates for your Chrome browser. Okay, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the one method that you can simply check your if your Chrome browser update up to date or not. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. So there is a two method. First method is a very simple. Just open your Chrome browser, just click on this three arrow, right corner, right upper corner, and here just scroll down, just come very bottom, come to the help. Under the help you will see the option called about Google Chrome. Okay, so here your Chrome start to check if it's up to date or not. If it is up to date, it is, then Chrome will be show that your Chrome is up to date. If it is not up to date, Chrome start to update automatically. Okay, so your browser will be start automatically update if it is not updated. After update, here you can see the option called relaunch, means you have to reopen your Chrome browser. Just click on relaunch, your Chrome browser will be closed and reopen again. Okay, if this method not working for you, just open the Google and type download Chrome from any browser, and here you can see the official website Google Chrome, and here you have to download this Chrome file. It is updated Chrome file. Okay, download, you can also update from here, or you can simply download updated file and reinstall it, then it will be override your existing file and your Chrome browser will be updated. Don't worry, your history and all details will be saved. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.